Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and you have probably heard me mention that I was moving into a new planner in July. Well, this is the planner. This is the Seize the Year planner. It is a Recollections planner by Capitol Chic Designs. Here's the information about the planner. I unboxed this quite a while ago. This was sent to me from Craftsmith, and I'll put a link to that video in the iCard up above. But yes, this is a Craftsmith planner by Capitol Chic Designs. So I really wanted to put it to use, get some use out of it. Initially, I was going to just use it to do spreads for the Scrapcraftastic Weekly Planner Challenge up until yesterday, when I had the idea that I could also do my budget track bills in this planner. I might as well use it for something because I was going to be using it anyway. So I sat down yesterday, wrote out all of my bills for the month, the ones that are automatically drafted and the ones that I actually pay myself, put down the due dates and the amount. So I have all of that information ready to go. And that was something that I needed to actually write down for a long time anyway, instead of having to go through my accounts to find out. Anywho, so this is what the planner looks like on the inside. Well, this is the inside cover. I guess this is the title page. I could put my name there. Then you have the 2021-2022 year at a glance. This is an 18-month planner, I believe. Let's look. Yes, 18-month spiral planner. So I'm gonna try and use it the whole time. Again, budget planner. I do really want to use discs for that, but every time I buy a disc bound planner, I don't use it. This was sent to me, so I'm going to try and use it. It has these stickers in the front. I'm not going to do a complete flip through, but just kind of giving you an idea of what it is. More stickers, some box stickers, and then this is a sticker paper page. So if you have leftover stickers or whatever, you can stick them here. This has a folder in the front. I wish it was in the back, but it's fine. It's in the front. But I put my notes that I took yesterday in here in this pocket. Then this is the July dashboard. And this is what the monthly looks like. I don't think I'll be doing too much decorating on the monthly. I might add a little washi up there that will match whatever character doll is on the monthly. But other than that, I probably won't. And I like that there's plenty of space up here to decorate. I saw someone posted in the Scrapcraftastic Facebook group. And if you want to join the challenge, that's where you would go. All the prompts are in the Scrapcraftastic Facebook group. But I saw someone had some washi tape with the U.S. flag on it, and they said they got it from Michael's. So I stopped by Michael's this morning looking for it, but they didn't have it at the Michael's that's close to me. I'm debating if I want to go to the other one and see if they have it. Maybe I'll call first. I don't know. But anywho, on the monthly, they have plenty of space for decorating up at the top, which I like. And then everything else is very neutral. This is the first week of July. This is the week that we're going to be working on. So it's vertical. Each is divided into 3 sections, which should be familiar if you've been in the planning community for a while. I think this is how Happy Planner layout started. You have space for notes on the left. Then this is dot grid down at the bottom on the left. You have lined space at the bottom on the right. And you have 3 places for tracking. So, and then it just repeats. And again, I'll link to the video where I did the flip through and showed all the dashboards and everything. So let's get, I'm not used to this. Let's get into what else I have here. So for this week, this is the week of the 4th. I'm going to be using this printable kit from Poly Plans. And I print and cut this using an inexpensive inkjet printer and my Silhouette. The files come with Silhouette, PDF, PNG, and JPEGs, I believe. And you have your choice of skin tone for the girl. This is what the kit looks like. You got your full boxes, half boxes, checklists, etc. Some bill due, work schedule, some blank boxes that you can use for whatever, top washies. I don't know how I'm going to use these. Some other washi, some deco, weekend sticker. Then you got some checklists or heart checklist boxes. Some Monday through Sundays, icons, more half boxes, quarter boxes, checklists. The kits in this shop are really nice and fully packed with pretty much anything you would need to do today. Little things, appointment. These are like appointment type boxes, quarter boxes. Some more quarter boxes. The date covers, the date dots, day off stickers, just miscellaneous stickers. This is probably my favorite sheet. This is the deco with the doll and all the deco with some of the script word icons. So, and that's it. Now I wanted to show you this. My printer was running out of ink, and I didn't know it at the time, not until I got ready to cut these. But I decided to keep them because I can still use them. They are not the correct color, of course, as you can see, but it's still usable. So I kept them because I like pink anyway. So I got all of these that I can pull from. So these are coming to patrons, so be on the lookout if you are a patron. They will also eventually be in the shop as well at scrapcraftastic.com. So if you were interested in these, be on the lookout. They will be released soon. This has already been released to patrons. This is my monthly quote / sayings type thing, because to me, I never have enough holiday type stickers. So I've been making these in order to have not only the days of the month, but some of the important days during the month. And I can have multiples for multiple planners. These can be, you can resize these, make them a little smaller if you need to. I have done that in the past, but this is the basic size. This is available to Patron Elite and Plus, and it comes in a variety of different file types, PNG, which you can use for silhouette, or I also have a Cricut Ready PNG, you get a JPEG, PDF, pretty much any file format that you would need for whatever digital machine you have. If you don't have a digital machine, you can cut these by hand. I do have PDF, so you can print and cut them by hand if you choose. So there's that. And then I mentioned to someone that I was going to send them some grass. So we'll be working with these coming up soon. One of these is for me, and two of them I will be sending out in Happy Mail. I'm going to try and fix them up nice. So you will be seeing these again coming soon. Okay, so that's enough of all the extra stuff. Let's get into the planning. Again, this is going to be a budget planner. What I'm thinking is for the weekly, I can use the top box for any bills that need to be paid during the week. I can use the middle box for any expenses I have during the week, because I wasn't writing down the expenses in the other planners. Maybe I can do it here. I don't know. I'm gonna try. And then this will be for miscellaneous things or just decorating. I don't know. Or maybe I'll decorate across the top and split them up. Either way, I'm going to have two boxes that I'm definitely going to be using. I'll figure it out, but we're going to decorate this for now. Does this even fit on here? I don't think I'll be using the tracker. So let's start off with this washi and see if it's even going to work. And I also kind of wanted to do this because I don't ordinarily use kits. I might use bits and pieces from a kit, but I also always want to try kits and just use the kits. So we're going to see how this goes. And again, this is the Scrapcraftastic Weekly Planner Challenge. This is Stars and Stripes is the prompt. So we are experimenting together. Okay. Let's put some some Simply Gilded washi in here. Okay, so I'm putting that on Sunday because Sunday is the holiday, and hopefully I won't have anything to add there. I don't have any plans, so let's see what else we got here. So I got a bill due on the 1st and a bill due on the 2nd. I don't know what else to put on here because this is so new to me. It's weird. I really like this box. So I'm gonna, where am I gonna use it at though? Let's use it here. Since I got a smoothie this morning, I'm gonna put this here. Let's see, let's use these here. Let's use this. Should I put these all the way across? Let's see what that looks like. I'm gonna use this to buy over here. Okay, so this is totally weird for me. I don't know what to do as far as stickers. I really think these flip-flops are cute. Maybe I should just put them down and call it good. Stop overthinking it. Because I don't want to put down too many stickers and then have some strange things pop up, like something that happened yesterday. So let's use this box for that. I'll use one for here. I need to put something here. Maybe I should put a box here. But a lot of the other ones are like beach themed, so I'm gonna use this cupcake here. Ooh, I have another yearly bill that is due on the 1st. So I'm going to use this for that. Okay, let me get my red Simply Gilded washi, my other red. I should probably do some date covers, but I don't want to use these. Yeah, no, I don't want to use those. I think I'm gonna leave it. That gives me room to write. I have to keep in mind that this is not just about putting down stickers. I still need to write on here, but I do have these to use if I need them. So let's see how this works for me throughout the week. And if it works out, great. I'll show you, try to remember to show you the previous week, but I'm gonna stop there. This is very strange to me using these stickers like this. So anywho, that is my budget planner setup for the week of June 28th through the 4th of July. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that little great bell so that you'll receive notification each time I upload a new video. Be sure to check the community tab and my stories for updates throughout the week. Also, check us out over at patreon.com/Scrapcraftastic for exclusive content and digital downloads. You can find me across social media at Scrapcraftastic. Visit my website and shop at Scrapcraftastic.com. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.